Hey everybody, welcome back to the show that never ends. I am here doing part 7. I believe this is part 7 now of my, yes it is, of 13 parts for this inking tutorial that I'm doing of how I do what I do. Um, Guerrilla style, as I like to call it, at the coffee house, that one of them that I usually frequent. This is the character of Merida from the animated film Brave. It was the animated character voiced by Kelly MacDonald. The film was released on June 5th, 2016. For those who want to look that up, and the actual pencils on this board that were done in blue pencil were done by Carlos Franco. Very, very good and solid, reliable, super duper. Hot running of adjectives and I highly recommend him. Penciler, a comic book penciler, artist, anchor extraordinaire, all of the above, yeah, out of New York City. So if you can find his information down below this video and the previous ones, and if you feel so inclined to, order a commission or maybe hire him for your project, please by all means do so, as his email will be available to you, and I have his permission to actually share that with the my viewing audience. So we only have a few minutes here left, actually about 2 minutes. This is a 5-minute video. I simply forgot to actually turn on the audio or do the audio part. I was so tired, and I just started drawing and inking, and I just went with the flow. I want to thank you all for if you've been watching the previous chapters of this sequence of tutorials. I'll be bringing more to the channel. Like I said before, it's written. Please do look at the bio underneath the chapters, which is every Thursday and Saturday. I'll be doing a new upload, and I will intersperse those videos in the middle of the week here and there as best I can with my sort of guerrilla style unboxings of comics, graded comics, raw comics, and maybe I'll bring some toys, figures, I don't know, whatever, a bunch of stuff that we'll bring to the channel. So look for those if that's kind of more to your liking than just than the art, I guess. I also wanted to say, so that covers most of the housekeeping. I want to thank everybody that has watched the videos and has taken the time to actually watch, hopefully, most of them. I know it can be tedious for some people that don't do art because it takes a while and it's in real time. But I wanted to let you all know that I just could not do these tutorials, if we're going to call them that, whether it's inking, penciling, or both, and just do them sped up. If I collapse 30 minutes worth of work or 15 or 20 minutes worth of work into, I don't know, 1 minute, 3 minutes of fast-paced video, I know that that's kitschy and that's cool for whatever, TikTok and all of that, but that's not my style. And I've had people over the years tell me like they can't see what I'm doing and how I do what I do. So to sort of give a little bit of space to those people that want to see, maybe up and coming artists, people that are starting to get back into art or want to draw, they should be able to see what it is that I'm doing, literally doing on real time, not just something that's sped up and you can barely see how it's actually worked. And how everything from the movement to having the time to actually explain what tools I use. Also, if you want to see something sped up, please by all means feel free to go to my list of shorts. There's quite a few of them there. I'll try to upload more shorts, but those get hundreds of views, but nobody subscribes. It seems. I don't know what the turnover rate is. So far as I can tell, there's not that many people coming over from the shorts, and they're not going to be monetized under any circumstance by any given means. And that in and of itself is not the issue, because I'm doing this because I want to do it, I love to do it, and this is what my channel's about. And if I didn't love this, I wouldn't be here in the first place. That's just, it is what it is. So that covers the basics, good folks. I will be bringing up part 8, 8, 9, 10. What am I missing here? Is this part 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13? I've got those in the can already. They're going to be going through some edits as far as the sound. Other than that, they'll be coming up. I'll be uploading every Thursday and Saturday for the tutorials, inking tutorials on this particular drawing. That was, again, I specify and clarify and give credit where it's due. The original pencils were done in blue, non-repro blue, Staedtler Mars pencils by Mr. Carlos Franco. Please, please, please check him out. Send him an email. Tell him Right Live Draw sent you there his way. Anyways, this is actually being recorded at night. the weekdays are really exhausting for me because I have a day job that demands a lot out of me as it is. And I've got a bunch of other stuff, including paying rent today and tomorrow. Actually, it'll be tomorrow. So we're almost done here. As you can tell, I'm just working with the, I think it was a zero point 0.1, or yeah, it's a zero point 0.1 nib, a pen, Copic marker, Copic inking pen. All right, on that note, don't forget to like the video, hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all on what? The next one.